Hello everyone, it's Aki.mforex here. I just make this video to show you that you can trade smart money concept on everything in the market. This strategy works on everything that is in the market, everything that someone can trade. So yesterday, this is Solana. This is Solana against American dollar. Solana cryptocurrency, Solana coin, you see? And today we are here, the date, we don't know if you can see properly. We are the 22nd of July 2024. We are Saturday around 10 p.m. So the price was still somewhere here, and we have this 15-minute order block here. We can see that the price is going up, and here we have this red candle, 15-minute order block, and I'm the one who drawn this yesterday Friday night. I did my analysis expecting the price to go up to this zone before dropping. I've withdrawn that before yesterday. So if we go on 4-hour time frame, we can see that I've drawn this trend line just to determine the market direction. I'm not a trend line trader, but I can use a trend line to determine where the market is heading to. And we can see we are in very bearish trend. Price making lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, touching that trend line, lower low. So this is the lowest low, and the price was now pushing up to go and make another lower high here. You see the reason why I drawn this yellow box here. I'm the one who have drawn that since yesterday, before even the price reaching that place. I drawn this that 4-hour zone. If I can zoom in, you will see that we have this 4-hour order block here. This 4-hour nice order block, or we can call it again supply. This one here. So we have that supply, and I just put this box, and I drawn this line, this white line, determining how I was expecting the price to do, or what I was expecting the price to do. This is a top-down analysis video. I can even remove this trend line. It's okay after determining what the market was likely supposed to do. Then if we go on 5-minute time frame now, go on 5-minute time frame, that's where I drawn this white line from this arrow. So where price was at yesterday when I was withdrawing, I was drawing this arrow. The price was here, and this is the 15-minute order block. That zone, that red box, you see, that is 15-minute, but we are on 5-minute time frame. So my expectation was that from here the price should go up, and when it reaches here, when the price arrives there in this 4-hour order block, there was a higher probability for the price to retrace back, and someone could look for the entry anywhere from this 4-hour order block. You go on lower time frame and look for entry, and that's what happened. Of course, the price was here and it didn't go straight up. No, it doesn't have to. It played around in this 15-minute order block, trapping people. Of course, that's how price moves. It played there before shooting up, and I was asleep already. I was asleep. It came here, but it didn't break. Look at how the price respected this zone. Price didn't break this 15-minute order block. It didn't go out of it. No, it played around, but me, I anticipated from here where the price was here. It doesn't mean that the price need to go straight. No, I put this line from there to determine where I left the price at. You see, just to know, so that when I come back, I might know when I've drawn this arrow, where was the price at. Reason why I did that, I was expecting the price to go maybe below or to play around first before going up. Then what happened? Price started going up, start making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. We broke this lower high here, and that was also the confirmation of price going up for someone who was awake at that time and who could buy. That was a confirmation to buy, because we are on 5-minute time frame, of course, and we are from this zone here, which is a 15-minute order block. If we can check it again, so that is 15-minute order block. You see this red candle here, it's an order block here. So we were still playing in this order block, because this was last down candle before the push of this leg here, and that becomes automatically order block. Sometimes you can anticipate this one as well as order block, but as you can see, price didn't reach there. Because why this is the order block as well? Because it has taken liquidity, not the color of the candle that matters. No, what matters, sometimes it might be a blue candle, but it has taken liquidity. That becomes also an order block, and there is imbalance, there is gap. So order block can be the last down candle when the price is going up, or last up candle when the price is going down. Either it can be the different color, but that taken liquidity from the previous candle, and there is gap So that's also it in order block, not the color that matters. As in case here, this is valid order block, of course, it's valid. This hammer candle, I think our shooting morning star, I don't know, shooting star, the name does not matter. What matters is to know how it works. So here we are on 15 minutes. I was just willing to show you. This order block which I've drawn here. So me, I took this red candle here, the entire red candle. And that was before me sleeping yesterday, Friday night, the 21st of June. And then I slept, me expecting the price to go up to this yellow zone. It could go deeper in or not. What is important is that the price needs to touch it. It might reverse just from touching it as it did here. It has just touched this 4-hour order block and it starts shooting down. You see, even if you can go on 1 hour time frame as well, this is 1 hour time frame, you'll see we're in downtrend. You can see that we are in downtrend. Price is still making lower low, lower higher, lower low, lower high, and then not from here. You see, so we expected the price to go there. Even if you can zoom here, you'd see lower low, lower high, lower low. We broke, but we pushed again down, lower low. Yeah, we are on 1 hour time frame there. So let's see on smaller time frame to find a confirmation how I could have taken this trade on lower time frame. Again, this is Solana coin against American dollar. So if I go on 5 minutes back again, I go back on 5 minutes as an entry time frame, or 1 minute, it depends on this. I think I should have entered from 5 minutes. So when the price reached this zone, the price of Solana went up to here. Yeah, that was $136.64. That way the price went to, and then the value of Solana started decreasing. Let me change the color of this to make it red. See, the price went up to that place there in this yellow zone, which is 4-hour order block. And then from there, here was my anticipation. When I see this signal here, I sell from there. Which signal is this? Which means if the price reaches inside this box, it makes higher high, higher low, higher high, and then lower low, and then lower high, I start selling. And that's what the price did. It didn't come inside the box there deeper, but that's what the price did. I will show you. So this is one of the entry confirmations for me. I can find it on 1 minute, on 15 minutes, depending on the time frame, the higher time frame. So some people can call it head and shoulder. You see? Some people can call it other name, Quasimodo. Yeah, that's what people call Quasimodo. But they will put trend line here and trend line here. They call it Quasimodo. So different names, but we use it the same way. And if someone now could do this, like the price was going, making higher low, so this one went above, you see, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and then price failed to make another higher high. It came here and it was supposed to go like this to make another higher high, but it failed. And then straight we broke this last low here. We broke it and then start doing like small lower low. You see on 5 minutes. So the momentum of the market changed, and from there the price changed the character. It went below here, below this zone here, even if it was just a week, but that was a change of character. And then start doing higher high and then higher low. This is more higher high here and then higher low. And from there, any place from there, someone could enter the trade. Any place from here, someone could enter trade. I think it's clear because the momentum has changed already and the price has tapped on our zone already. See, price has tapped on our zone. Anywhere from there, someone could have entered after breaking this area here. Breaking that one. If you want more confirmation, then you wait for the break of this one here again. This one here, which shows that the momentum has changed. See, we broke this. And we broke that one. Then someone could have entered like from this rejection here. Stop loss, because there's not any imbalance here. Stop loss can just be above this wick here, because the market can push deeper to close this gap. The market could push deeper to close this gap here. But so reason why we can put the stop loss above there, and yeah, and target 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. It's already enough. Me, I mostly go for 1:2. I risk 1% to make 2%. So yeah, that is it. That is it. 1 to 2 is there. Nice 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Risking 1 to make 2. If you risk 10% of your account, you would have made 20%. If you risk like in $1,000 account, in $1,000 account, if you have risked 10%, which is $100, you'll have made $200. If you risk like 50%, which is $500, you'd have made $1,000 already. You would have made $1,000 from there. And this is where the price is at right now. This is live market. As you can see, this is live market now. You see how the market is moving. So that's how I was going to catch this move. The video is too long. I don't know. So many explanation reason why the video is too long. But if I could go on 1 minute and see how I could have I could have caught. I could have catch this move on 1 minute. It's more clear. You see, on 1 minute, when we reach this 1 hour zone, we can see that we could have entered even somewhere around here because it's clear. You see, price was making higher high, higher lows, going up. I just want to cut this video. I don't want to make it too long. Price was going up, making higher high and higher lows. As you can see, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Price going up, and then anyway from here, this one was broken. Yeah, this one was broken by this move. So this one higher high, higher low. And whenever the market breaks that red line there, that's a red change of character. And someone can also take this as change of character because the market failed to make another higher high, the significant higher high. But also, some people can call this one here as change of character. Depends. It depends. You see this one here, because there is a small higher low. Since this candle has taken the low of the previous candle, that is considered automatically as a low. This candle here, the red one, broken or taken liquidity below the previous green candle, and the second one goes above that candle. So this one is considered also as a low. But if you want the significant lows, you can consider this one here and consider all this as one move. Some people will consider this one because the price failed to make high. It make a lower high, higher low, but it failed to make higher high. So it depends on which one could you take. If you can just tell me in the comment, which one could you take as change of character according to you? Could you take this first one here, this one, second one as change of character when the market broke it, and take your entry here? Because if you could have considered this one here as your change of character, you should have entered by this order block here, this last up candle. That was an entry for someone who considers this one as a change of character. For those who consider this as a change of character, you could have entered at this fair value gap here or this one here. Yeah. Or wait until the price comes here, but it didn't reach there. And the third one could have considered this one as a change of character and consider this as one leg move. So which one could you consider? Consider this one as change of character and enter anywhere from around here. So it all depends on you. I don't know which one you could have considered as change of character. And you can see risk to reward ratio increased, and now we have 3 RR. If you come on lower time frame after this change of character here and you enter here, stop loss above there because we still have order block here, so you now aiming for 3 RR, and that's how we trade everything in the market using smart man concept. I think it's very clear. So I'm expecting the market to continue down. I have another daily zone here because Solana is correcting itself. It might come down here in the future. I don't know how many days. And then from here, I think someone can buy now for the long term. So this is a cryptocurrency as well. Solana is a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. Yeah. So that's all for now. Thank you. It was Aki.mforex.